I'm getting married in the morning. Ba-dum-dum.
I know why I don't want to get married, because of Dare to Dream wedding accessories. Let me just tell you this. Yes, Dare to Dream is your go-to online and retail store for all things wedding, bridal, accessories, and beyond. They have an exquisite collection of accessories that will have the bride blushing from cheek to cheek. From stunning lace to sparkling rhinestone beads, they've got everything covered, everything you can need for give you that extra va-va-voom on that day. But hold on, you know, so they also do more. Them also cater to the everyday fashionistas like you that watching this right now, with them earrings, turbans, hair accessories, and even detachable shoe straps. And if you're into DIY, them have your cover too. You can get inspiration with their dazzling rhinestone flatbed beads, exquisite embroidery trims, intricate lace and beaded appliques, and rhinestone brooches for bouquets. So burritos, once you think wedding, think Dare to Dream. You see that? Wedding, Dare to Dream, right there. Put the two of them together, symbiosis. Visit their online stores at daretodream.store. Personalized shipping is also available. Email them at daretodreamweddingaccessories@gmail.com or WhatsApp them at 862-899-6346. Follow them on Instagram as well, Dare to Dream WA.